Brown Bear, what do you see? Written by Bill Martin Jr. and illustrated by Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a yellow duck looking at me.
Yellow duck, what do you see?
Quack! I see a blue horse looking at me. Quack!
Blue horse, what do you see?
I see a green frog looking at me.
Green frog, what do you see?
Rabbit! I see a purple cat looking at me.
Purple cat, what do you see?
Meow! I see a white dog looking at me.
White dog, what do you see?
Woo, woo! I see a black sheep looking at me.
Black sheep, what do you see?
Meh. I see a goldfish looking at me.
Goldfish, what do you see?
I see a teacher looking at me.
Teacher, what do you see?
I see children looking at me.
Children, what do you see?
We see a brown bear,
A red bird,
a yellow duck,
A blue horse,
green frog, purple cat,
white dog,
black sheep, a goldfish,
and a teacher looking at us.
That's what we see.